Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 14th of June. The euro recorded a new high at 133.90 against the US dollar before correcting back to 132.77. The US dollar managed to pare losses against the euro after better than expected US unemployment claims, but the strong euro made a retracement all the way back up to 133.78 within the same day. The pair is currently trading at around 133.50 and looks to continue to the upside. The US dollar dropped to a two-month low at 93.78 against the Japanese yen. The yen continued to strengthen as the uncertainty remains over the monetary policy in Japan. It looks that the pair may continue the bearish trend for a while. Looking at equities, the US 500 rallied yesterday from 1697 up to 1639 on speculation that the Federal Reserve plans to maintain interest rates at a record low. The index looks to break its resistance at 1640 in the near term. Looking at commodities, gold slid from $1,395 all the way back to $1,374 per troy ounce after a report showed that only 334,000 against the expectations of 354,000 US unemployment claims. However, the precious metal regained part of the lost ground and looks to edge higher. WTI crude oil is trading at around $96.50 per barrel and is near a monthly high amid speculation that a recovery of the US economy may boost demand for energy. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 132.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 132.60. The dollar-yen pivot points at 96.15 with a preference to enter in short positions at 96.15. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 0.95 with a preference to enter in short positions at 0.95. Sterling-dollar pivot points at 156 with a preference to enter into long positions at 156.10. And the dollar-CAD pivot points at 101.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.50. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 94.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 94.45. The gold pivot points at 1365 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1365. The silver pivot points at 21.38 with a preference to enter into long positions at 21.38. The US 500 is at 1597 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1597. And the UK 100 is at 6408 with a preference to enter into short positions at 6408. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 9 GMT in Europe, we have the employment change quarter-on-quarter forecast to drop by 0.2%. At 12:30 GMT in Canada, we have the manufacturing sales month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.3%. And at 12:30 GMT in the US, we have the producer price index month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.1%. And our mover and shaker to end the week is the US dollar collapsing against the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar rose to its highest level at 101.46 within 4 weeks against its major peers, showing signs that the Canadian economy returns to growth. All the signs show that the pair may continue downwards at the same pace. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma and Jay from the East Forex Dealing Room. Have a great weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.